Welcome to this review about the Easy Repetitive System. This is the product created by Kevin Fahey. We will look at the sales page and I will show you what it's all about. We will talk about pricing and OTOs it includes. So keep watching to the end so you know exactly what it is. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Natalia Hirsch and this channel is all about affiliate marketing and making money online. I do many product reviews. If you are interested in these topics, just subscribe to my channel, click notification bell so you are informed about next video. So the Easy Repetitive System is the completely unique, simple, easy and repetitive system that Kevin Fahey personally used to build a multi-seven-figure online business. And he's sharing the same system with you so that you can learn from him and implement it in your marketing. It includes step-by-step training, it's for beginners, struggling, and all the marketers who want to take their business to the next level. It's proven and simple but extremely powerful. Now let's proceed to the member area. After logging in, you have an overview, the Easy Repetitive System training, and the upsell, we will talk about it later, project restart training and interviews. You can join the Facebook group, and you can subscribe to Kevin's YouTube channel. And here at the top you can get directly to the system itself and to the upsells. And the system is mainly presented in text mode. You can see it here. The module 1, Introduction. The modules 1 to 4 are in the text mode as well. Here, for instance, module 3, Planning out your funnel. So everything exactly described. Here is, for instance, module 5, and here you have video. In this video, Kevin walks you through. He shows you exactly how he set up his real life product. The whole process, exactly how he does it. He holds nothing back from you. Everything revealed. You have 40 minutes video. The module 11 is the Easy Repetitive Training presentation. He shows you everything needed to create the product. It's also the longer video. Then in addition you have steps to 2K per month and at the bottom you have access to his bonuses. And here you have the overview of the bonuses. Just checking one of them, the 7-figure book bundle. There is definitely much value shared. Then you have Project Restart. Here's the overview, IM checklist, and IM VIP training. The Project Restart is part of the upgrade. You see you have following content here. Training guide, module 1, deciding which business model is right for you. Software launches, information products, private label rights center, services, coaching. Then you have module 2, building relationships fast, module 3, research, module 4, banking on your research, module 5, 4 massive money makers, module 6, the only tools and services you need, module 7, part 1, the breakthrough, part 2, working with templates, project restart training presentation and MP3 audio, project restart bonuses, project restart interviews, and here you will have interviews with successful people. Then you have interview bonuses and 16K case study. So what is this project restart actually about? Kevin shares with you if he would start from scratch, from the very beginning, what he all would do in order to reach results quickly. And this is exactly the information he is sharing with you. And I think it's great, as this is exactly the position where many beginners are. Let's talk about pricing. What would this product cost you? The front-end product is $24.95. And there are some upsells. The upsell number 1, Project Restart, is at $19.95. The upsell to OTO 1, the Project Restart interviews, there are over 22 text-based interviews with top marketers. It would cost you $37. The upsell number 2, I am VIP training, is 10-day bootcamp, and I am coaching series is at price of $167, and there is downsell 8 of the most recent best info products at $47. The upsell number 3, biggest PLR blowout sale at the price of $314, and there is downsell. I am checklist trial at the price of $30 and then $17.95 per month. Returning to the sales page. This is what it exactly is, the system Kevin have personally used to build a multi-7-figure online business. And my advice to you is, if you want to be successful, you should be exactly copying successful people to do what they do, as this is exactly what they have done to reach success. There are similarities between successful people. They have the right mindset for doing business, and this is what you should do as well. There are some numbers from the sales, and then he is revealing with you 90% of people who have been trying to make money online, they can't seem to find a way to build a stable and reliable business. But the reality is, it's not as simple as most marketers make it seem to be. But it has to be with the fact that the real information is not being shared. You will see exactly what is included. There are some testimonials, they are real. So I'm at the end of my review. You have seen what is all inside. Does it work? It works. But you need to take action. You need to put some efforts. This is not the 3 steps software, but there are real case studies inside that could help you to reach success if you take action. And if you like to join this product, I will leave the link in the description below. If you join via my link, I will add some bonuses. I will add some audiobooks on personal development and add some webinar related to the topic. I hope this information was helpful. If it was, click on like, subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video.